Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If you're here for the first time, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the US-Mexico border. Now, let's test what you've learned. Is the US-Mexico border over 1,000 miles long? Yes, it stretches nearly 2,000 miles. Does the border only pass through the state of Texas? No, it passes through California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Was the border shaped by the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo? Yes, this treaty ended the Mexican-American War in 1848. Do millions of people cross the border legally each year? Yes, for work, family, or travel. Is the border only about politics and security? No, it's also about culture, shared communities, and human connection. Does everyone agree that building a border wall is the best solution? No, some people believe it's costly and divisive. Did the US gain land like California and Texas from Mexico through the war? Yes, large areas of land were transferred after the war. Are cross-border families and bilingual towns common in the border region? Yes, they are a unique part of the border culture. Is the US-Mexico border considered irrelevant in American politics? No, it's a major topic in political debates. Does the border symbolize only separation between two countries? No, it also represents cooperation and cultural blending. Be sure to watch the video multiple times to reinforce what you've learned, and subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on our next videos in this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.